Hello everyone, welcome to episode 4. In this video we're going to start off by installing our assets. If you haven't watched the first episode, you can go back and watch that to see which assets you need to get, or you can just simply copy what I'm about to install right now and just go back to the marketplace and search it and install it. So let's start with advanced interaction system. Since I already have it installed, it will say this, but you'll get a drop down menu and install it to 5.4. And next we're going to get, and the next one we're going to get is hard lock target. I'm going to install that. I already have it installed, but install it to 5.4. Now I want you to go over to the categories and deselect all and go down to epic content, and we're going to type in infinity and add this to your project, Infinity Blade Adversaries. And add Infinity Blade Effects, Infinity Blade Firelands, Infinity Blade Grasslands, Icelands, and Infinity Blade Weapons. And you can deselect that and type in Paragon. And for Paragon, I would like you to add Paragon Aura. Then we'll get Gideon and Greystone. And then we'll go down some more and get Grux. You get Paragon Minions. And I guess we can get Paragon Kwong. And I'll get Paragon Sereth. And Paragon Zinx. And Paragon Shibi. And Paragon Yin. Now some of these we're going to take their armor and their weapons. And then some of them we're going to just take their animations. Okay, now we're going to go back to our category. Select all, then deselect. And I want you to scroll down to characters. And we're going to get our desert. Well, I don't think you guys got the desert dragon. Where is that pack? Get this, the quadrupled fantasy creature. And if you didn't see that, do that. It's quadrupled fantasy creature. Add that to your project. The next one will be the bookhead monster. You add this to your project. Okay, so now I'll deselect that and scroll down to sound effects. And we're going to add this interface and sound pack. And sorry that I keep getting lost. So interface and item sound pack. And then we want to deselect. We're going to go to our visual effects. And we're going to get this. I'll just type in VFX. And we're going to get our fire and flames. And just give me 1 second. Okay, so we want to go back up to the top and go to all and deselect and go down to props, and we want the ancient treasures. You want to get this. And then we want to go back to characters. And we want to get, let's type in dragons. Dragon. And we want to add both of these. It's called Dragon for Boss Monster. Hand drawn and PBE, I believe. You add both of those to your project. And now we want to go back to, I'll deselect this and deselect this. And we're going to go back to our visual effects and we're going to download our realistic starter. I believe that's the one I want to get. Yeah, realistic starter VFX pack. And if you didn't get that, realistic starter VFX pack. Now, one of the things I want to let you guys know, you can go to itch.io.com. Well, not .com, it's itch.io. And you can go to browse and you'll see assets right up under there. And you click on assets and you'll get all this free stuff right here. If you just click on the free, it'll take you to all the free stuff that you can get. So music, you know, 2D stuff, some 3D stuff, but it's mostly like tiles and icons and user interfaces that you can get for free, as long as you credited the user creator. It's some pretty cool stuff. So I might grab some stuff from here later on in the course, so keep that in mind. But you can take a look around and see which ones you like, and you can add it to your project when we get to that point. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is go back to all, deselect. If you don't have that, just do this and boom, you have it like that. And we're going to go down to sounds and we're going to download the human vocalizations and put that into our project once it's downloaded. And then we're going to go to environments dungeons or dungeon, and we're gonna get dungeon playable demo and medieval dungeon. So if you don't have these two, you can just go into the free and marketplace and you can get both of these for free. And I'm gonna add these to our project. This one I actually do have to download, so yeah. So that should be it for now, but if there's anything else that we need to add to the project, I'll add it later on. And once we're done with this, we're going to get into the game engine and we're going to work on creating our first C++ classes. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you would like to join my community, you can do so by joining communities.unrealengine.com/Memphis. See you guys next time.